Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're looking for tricks and tips on how to bathe the cat, then you've come to the right place. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so whenever we post new videos, you'll be the first one to be notified. So, let's get into the video.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so today I'm gonna be teaching you how to bath your cat. So first you have to make sure the water is warm. Oh yeah, so it's not too cold or too hot, just warm in a warm temperature like you're bathing a cat. But some cats won't be easy to bath them because they're like not used to bathing, but when time goes on they're gonna get used to it. So you can see my TT is kind of still scared of the water, but like he cooperates when he wants to, but make sure he gets clean so he doesn't get any fleas because sometimes he goes outside, so you have to make sure that you always check for the fleas and remove them with your hand so they don't bite. You shouldn't be scared. Sometimes you should get a powder for the fleas. So yeah, so we're done with the bathing. So make sure you cover him with the towel so it doesn't get cold, to wipe off all the water, and then use the hair dryer to dry him. Of course he's gonna be scared of the hair dryer because of that sound and all, but make sure you're gentle and the hair dryer is warm, not too cold or not too hot. Just make sure it's warm, and while you dry him up you can get someone else to help you because it's kind of hard to do it on your own. So yeah, get someone to help you out, and while you're drying up just use your hand to test how hot the dryer is. Yeah, so it gets dry faster. Yeah, it's gonna be dry soon. Just make sure you're careful with them, and like I said, be gentle. He's gonna get used to the dryer when time goes by until you finish drying up, but it depends on what kind of a cat you have. So yeah, he's a fast one, so but we try by all means to make sure he's dry. And as you can see, we're almost done, but it wasn't easy, guys. It wasn't that easy, but yeah, we're getting there. As you can see, I'm still brushing him off so I can speed up the drying process, as he's really scared of the dryer. So you must make sure that you aim the dryer to where you want it to be dry, and then keep on brushing. So yeah, it's gonna speed up the process like I said. So we're gonna be done in no time. And damn, he has very soft fur. And voila, we are done. Would you look at that? He is so cute. Don't worry about him trying to run away because he just wants to run under the bed. So I'm trying to like keep him calm for now. So make sure your cat is always clean, guys. It's not that hard. I know they say cats are not friends with water, but life is all about sacrifices. So you can sacrifice your cat to be clean. Take this chance and hit the like button and subscribe to tune for our next video. It's gonna be wild, guys.